Hello, good morning, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Gokulraj Silwal. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. I'm unmarried. I have six family members in my family. My education is plus two pass. My height is 5.6 feet and weight is 68 kg. I'm medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, watching movies, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a recycle worker in Nepal. I went to come to Romania as a recycling worker to earn money and support my families, secure my future. Job of recycle worker is to sorting recyclable materials, operating recycling equipment, collecting and transport, inspecting materials, record keeping and reporting, maintaining safety, stand handle, safety, etc. I will stay for their long time, maybe 5 6 years. I can work in any climate, there outside or inside also. I will follow the company rules and policies. Thank you. Thank you.